Good morning, everyone. I'm Sales Master Joyce Tabiano from Ariul Marikina Adja Center. Okay po, once again, may I see the hands of our first-time attendees? First-time attendees po. Ayan po, to all our first-time attendees and to all our attendees here on Pickup Center in Baguio and in Cebu and also on our online, I would like to ask your undivided attention kasi yung aking i-discuss are the products of Atomy. This is the backbone of Atomy. Sabi nga ng CEO natin kanina, if you are going to do this business, the basic is to use the product. And to use this product, you have to know ano ba yung concept ng ating produkto here in Atomy. Okay, so once you are a member here in Atomy, you will get your own online global shopping mall. And yung makikita po natin dyan is yung categories of products natin sa Atomy, which is, we have the Hemohim, our flagship product in Atomy. We have the healthcare, beauty, personal care, home, food, and many others. You can check it out po right after our seminar para po inyo pong ma-explore yung mga produkto po na available dyan sa inyong sariling shopping mall, online global shopping mall. And here is the strategy of our product here in Atomy. Mastige strategy. This is the word created by our chairman, Mr. Park Hang-gil, yung ating mastige. This is a combination of the word mass and prestige. Meaning po, yung mass is the target consumer, which is the general public. Yung produkto po is created hindi lamang doon sa mga elite or nandun sa middle class and high class na mga tao, yung mga malaki yung kita, but also for the general public dahil yung price po niya is affordable. And yung tige naman po sa word na mastige is prestige, meaning po, yan po yung quality ng produkto po natin. Prestige yung kanyang quality. But before Atomy, nung wala pa si Atomy, di ba po, yung mga prestige na product po na ito can only be available na mabili ng mga nandoon sa middle class and sa high class po na society. But here in Atomy, we get to access this prestigious product with the price that is affordable for everyone. Yan po yung strategy ni Atomy. And that strategy is also achieved because of our product philosophy, which is absolute quality and absolute price. Okay, absolute price po meaning yung means the lowest possible price for the same quality. But of course, bago po yung absolute price na yan, yung unang-unang tinitignan ni Atomy is yung quality. Pasok ba yung isang produkto sa absolute quality standard ni Atomy? Because absolute quality means a quality that no one can match at a certain price point. Consumer-oriented network marketing strategy, select favorable products that are higher in quality at more reasonable prices. Because Atomy is not just a selling company, we are a consumer curator or a product curator. Atomy curates product na pasok sa kanyang product philosophy na absolute quality and absolute price. So meaning, if a certain product is available po sa inyong shopping mall, na Atomy online shopping mall, ibig sabihin, pasok po siya sa absolute quality, absolute price ni Atomy. And here is a perfect example of our mastige strategy na produkto sa Atomy. Our flagship product, Hemohim, awaken the power of tired immune cells. Our Atomy Hemohim. This was developed by Korea Institute of Atomic Energy Research Institute, individually certified type na 1 health functional food. Talagang best-selling din po ito sa Philippines. And another is for 7 consecutive years in Korea, sales have been consistently ranked first in the same category among the industry. Meaning with all these informations about our Hemohim, talagang absolute quality po siya. Pero dahil nga this is exclusively being distributed by Atomy, of course, absolute price din po siya. Dahil because before, nung wala pa si Atomy, itong Hemohim po na ito can only be taken by the scientists na nandun po sa Atomy at sa Korea Institute of, or yung KRI, kung saan yun po yung nag-develop ng technologies ni Hemohim. Sila lang yung nakaka-access sa Hemohim kasi nga babad sila sa radiation and all. Yung Hemohim is yun yung pinapainom sa kanila. Ngayon, nung naging available siya publicly sa Korea, ang mahal-mahal po niya, times 10 yung kanyang price compare sa price niya po ngayon. Kasi before, yung Hemohim na ito, yung 30 na piraso niya is almost like 100,000 pesos sa pera po natin. But you can imagine ngayon po, dahil exclusively being distributed by Atomy, mabibili na lamang natin siya sa 60 na peraso is 4.3, di ba po? Pinapalakpakan po yun dahil dyan sa mass-stage strategy ni Atomy. Another perfect example po of mass-stage strategy is yung ating Absolute Skincare and Atomy na nasabi na rin ng ating CEO, it received the King Sejong Award. Of course, talagang hindi basta-basta yung award po na ito. This is the highest honor in the cosmetic industry, the first Businessman Award for patented technology. Absolute Cell-Active Skincare, it received the IR52 Jangyong Seal Award and the NEP, or New Excellent Product Certification, achieving the Triple Crown proves the highest level of technical competence. And narinig ko kanina kay CEO, umiyak pala yung scientist na nag-create nitong technologies ng ating Absolute kasi inaasahan niya dahil sa napakagandang quality ng product po na ito is ibibenta siya ng times 10 nung original price na binibenta ni Atomy. But because this is exclusively being distributed by Atomy, of course, Absolute din yung price niya. Kung hindi po siya sa Atomy, siguro times 10 din yung price ng ating Absolute Skincare. So pinapalakpakan po yan dahil yan po yung mass-stage strategy ni Atomy. Ngayon po na may idea na tayo kung ano po yung mga qualities ng ating produkto sa Atomy. Alright. Ito po yung mga featured products na i-represent ko po for today. Our Evening Care 4 set, our Hydra Brightening Skincare, our body lotion, and hand therapy. This is all are for our skin health po. Okay, let's move for the first product na Atomy Evening Care 4 set. We call it the 365 days of home spa. Hindi na po natin kailangan pang mag-ipon ng budget para makapag-afford ng home spa. We can do it DIY on our home every day. Okay, if you have the following: pimples, acne, deep-seated dirt, excess oil, dry and flaky skin, blackheads, and dry spots, you have to take a look back at your skincare routine kung nagagawa ba natin yung basic, which is our cleansing. Ito po yung step number 1, yung cleansing. So kung hindi po ninyo pa-afford yung mga skincares natin sa Atomy, doon po muna tayo magsimula sa Evening Care 4 set. Kasi yun po yung pinaka-importante, yung cleansing ng ating skin. Okay, so dito po, meron po siyang 4. That's why it is called Evening Care 4 set. Pero hindi lamang po siya pang gabi ginagamit. Pwede rin naman pong sa umaga gamitin natin. Evening Care lang siya tinawag kasi mas intended siya to use in the evening, but we can also use it in the morning. So it has the deep cleanser that removes makeup and cleanses clogged pores, foam cleanser that removes skin impurities and makeup, peeling gel, it easily removes unnecessary dead skin cells without skin irritation, and peel-off mask that minimize pores, firms, and calms our skin. Ayan, isa-isahin po natin itong 4 po na ito. So yung first, dito sa ating 4th step is yung deep cleanser. Ito yung nagre-remove ng ating makeup and nagka-cleanse ng ating clogged pores. So when you use it, yung ample amount lang po, i-spread natin all over our face and i-massage po siya. Yung cream po, once the cream type na deep cleanser is maging oily na siya, saka ka-massage po natin, saka po natin pupunasan ng tissue. So that's how we use our deep cleanser, yung first step. So this one po yung kanya mga benefits, it's for firm skin because of the ginseng extract and ginkgo extract that keeps dull skin hydrated and firm. So hindi lamang siya basta-basta nakaka-cleanse, it also moisturize and nurturize our skin. Another benefit is for the clear skin tone because of the green tea extract that helps your skin look clean and clear. And another benefit, it will give you glossy skin because of the carrot extract and the tocopherol acetate that helps retain skin elasticity and nutrition. So yan po yung benefits ng ating deep cleanser. In one bottle po, it has 150 ml. Yan po yung first step, tandaan po natin. And yung second step, after we remove our makeup, of course, meron pa siyang kaunting natitira. Kailangan nating maghilamos using our foam cleanser. It removes impurities and also makeup. Ang mga benefits po niya is for makeup removal, remove impurities and makeup from the stress of pollution. Another benefit is for the clean skin. Rich lather sweeps away sebum and dirt that helps purify and refresh our skin. And another one po na pinakagustong-gusto ko sa ating foam cleanser, it has hydrated finish. Kasi yung ginagamit ko dati, after ko maghilamos and mag-dry ng towel, is na yung feeling na ang tight ng skin po natin kasi hindi siya hydrated finish. Very dry po siya. At kapag very dry yung skin po natin, yung mga glands po natin doon, it will produce too much oil. That's why before, sobrang oily ko din yung aking face and which is causes a lot of problems din sa aking skin po mismo. So it has hydrated finish because of the Philenius lentus and lentus rice extract that prevents tightening and of skin and nourishes our skin. So hindi lamang basta-basta pang hilamos yung foam cleanser natin. It has all these benefits. So, alam naman po natin maghilamos ng mukha, di ba po? Pero after maghugas ng mukha, yung ating foam cleanser po, lagyan po natin sa kamay po natin, then pabulain po natin siya ng todong-todo, saka po natin siya isasabon sa ating mukha, and then banlawan po ng tubig. And yung next po dyan is yung ating peeling gel. Easily removes unnecessary dead skin cells without skin irritation. So this is a very mild exfoliating po na cleanser sa ating evening care for set. So sa mga familiar po doon sa mga exfoliating, di ba kapag sinabing exfoliate, talagang masakit yun sa skin. Lalo na kapag yung ginagamit mo is yung mga nabibili na basta-basta po sa market na masakit po talaga yung tinatawag na lang tiis ganda na nagbabakbak yung ating mukha. But here in peeling gel, hindi po ganon. Once matry nyo po talagang ma-amaze po kayo, it easily removes the unnecessary dead skin cells without skin irritation. Yung tatanggalin niya lang is yung talagang dapat naturally is matanggal na dead skin cells sa ating mukha. And at the same time, natatanggal din niya yung mga deep-seated po na dirt pa doon sa ating pores. So kanyang benefit po, dead skin cells, it removes dead skin cells, better absorption of the other skincare products because after our peeling gel po, kasi yung paggamit ng ating peeling gel is i-spread po natin siya evenly sa buong mukha, then i-let stay lang po or ibababad natin siya for 2 to 3 minutes. Then after po niyan is i-massage na po natin, matatanggal na yung mga dead skin cells or yung mga dirt po na nandun pa sa kaloob-looban ng ating pores. So yun po yung matatanggal. And right after that, na mahilamusan po natin siya, yung peeling gel po, it will leave our skin like more open. So it will promote better absorption of the moisturizer na ilalagay natin dahil after ng peeling gel is moisturizer na po tayo. Okay, another benefit is for the radiant skin. Elm tree root extract and water-soluble moisture makes dull skin radiant. And it is also for sebum control. Citrus grandis peel helps to eliminate excess sebum and soften our skin. Kasi kapag everyday, kung hindi naman po tayo pimple prone, pag everyday po tayong nagpipiling gel, your skin will naturally get rid of those dead skin cells na minsan yun yung nagkukos na magkaroon tayo ng mga dark spots, di ba po? So if you use it every night, talagang magkakaroon ka po ng mas healthier and soft skin. So yun po yung ating peeling gel, and right after that, di ba, na-mention ko po na moisturizer po tayo. After ng moisturizer is yung ating peel-off mask naman. This is the secret sa ating evening care na yung nagpapaliit ng chin and nagpapa-close ng ating mga pores. It minimizes pores, firms, and calms our skin. Yung kanyang benefit po is for the pore care. So the amethyst powder helps to cleanse and clear clogged pores. And also it gives elasticity to our skin because of the centella extract that gives skin the appearance of elasticity and firmness. And also for giving us purified skin because of the jade powder that helps activate circulation and refines the skin's surface. This is very beneficial to our skin. Ang ganda po ng effect po nito, especially kapag gabi po natin siya nilagay, then pinatuyo natin, saka tayo natulog, and kinabukasan na natin tinanggal, makikita po talaga natin ang skin po natin parang poreless and talagang nag-glow po yung ating skin with this product. So yun po yung ating evening care for set na cleansing skincare natin sa Atomy. Dyan po tayo magsisimula palagi if you are just introducing Atomy skincare sa ating skin. Ngayon po, this is the 3 basic steps for skincare routine dahil I know most of the Filipinos, ayaw po natin yung complicated na skincare routine. So ito lang po yung 3 na kailangan natin gawin in order to achieve healthy skin or maintain healthy skin. Cleansing, na nabanggit ko na po yung ating evening care for set. Next is toning. and moisturizing. Pero alam nyo po ba na yung toning and moisturizing po na ito is magagawa natin gamit lang yung isang product or isang set dito sa Atomy, which is our Hydra Brightening Care Set. So this one po has only 2 steps. Bagay na bagay po sa ayaw ng complicated masyado na skincare. So after ng evening care, doon po natin isisingit yung ating Hydra Brightening Skincare for toning and moisturizing our skin. Okay, so are you having dry and tired skin from all these threats? Especially here sa atin sa Philippines, we are a tropical country, so we suffer from strong UV rays, excessive sweating, high temperature and humidity, and exposure of high conditioning. Especially pag mainit sa labas, pumapasok tayo sa mga buildings and mall na may malakas na air conditioning. This can damage our skin, especially if not being taken care of. And good thing is this Hydra Brightening Skincare has this benefit. Supply ample moisture and nutrients with 2 steps only. Feel fresh with no stickiness, long-lasting moisture, moisturizing and nourishing on a different level with the birch tree sap and the extract of sea buckthorn. And it has fast absorption and easy application. Very easy na 2 steps lang po ito na hindi na tayo tatama rin pang gawin yung ating skincare. And this 2 po, ito po siya. First is yung capsule essence po natin, which is a combination of toner and essence. This is for hydration and nutrition supply. The next step po is the cream, moisturizing and for the skin barrier care. Okay, yung first step na capsule essence po, this has these benefits. Reduce moisture care, dahil hindi na natin kailangang maya't maya mag-moisturize ng ating skin. Increase moisture energy, supply nutrients with micro capsule, and locking moisture up with synergy effect of base and micro capsule. So, i-explain ko po ito in details. So, yung first po is the reduce moisture care, increase moisturizing energy. So, hindi na tayo basta maya't maya mag-moisturize kasi with this one po is yung sa ating capsule essence po, it has the toner and serum. Yung toner is the liquid type na nandoon sa ating essence, and then yung serum is yung capsules po niya, yung mga puti-puti po na capsules. And that's why it has the less or ni-reduce na po niya, less step na po ng pag-moisturize ng ating skin kasi 2-in-1 na po siya, toner and serum. Another one po is supply moisture with the micro capsule kasi yung capsule po na yon, yung serum, inside are the ingredients na makaka-moisturize ng ating skin. We have the vitamin E, the cellulose, and the mannitol, which are all very beneficial on our skin. And another one po, yung locking up moisture with synergy of base and micro capsule. Kasi di ba po, doon sa inside the capsules has the active ingredients. Once those active ingredients is kapag naka-contact na po siya sa skin po natin, automatic po siyang matutunaw and ma-absorb ng skin po natin. And right after na ma-absorb siya, nilalock up po siya ng toner, which is the base, because of the high molecular network, stabilized methane, and low molecular hyaluronic acid to transfer the ingredients to the skin. And then yung quick touch po niya essence is quickly transformed to liquid, provides ample moisture and light texture. And then yung capsule po niya inside those are the Power Vitamin E and Human-like Moisture Capsule. So ang ganda po ng synergy nila all together. Once na ma-absorb po ng skin natin yung mga active ingredients inside the capsule, it will be locked up by the base. Okay? So yun po yung ating first step na capsule essence. Next naman po is yung cream. Step number 2, it has pink antioxidant energy from vitamin B12 and complete care for skin barrier with the skin-friendly substance. Ito po yung nutritious base ng ating, yung cream po natin sa ating Hydra. It has premium moisture supply for the tired skin. First na ingredient is the birch tree sap. The birch tree sap adds coolness and refreshness to your skin as if you're taking a bath in a forest. Yung effect po nito, it improves skin elasticity and skin protection. It helps care for sensitive and dry skin with this soothing effect. This is very soothing. If you have pimple-prone skin and hindi naman parang 30s and below po kayo, bagay na bagay po ito kasi talagang hindi siya mild po siya sa skin po natin. So perfect po siya sa any type of skin. If you just want to moisturize your skin, Okay, another one po is yung sea buckthorn extract. Sea buckthorn extract contains abundant vitamin C and E and also omega-3, 6, and 9. So napakadami po niyang vitamins. It helps moisturize our skin and helps whitening, wrinkle care, and improves elasticity. Ang dami po niyang benefits. So with these two steps, makukuha na natin lahat ng benefits po na yon at magagawa na natin yung bare minimum na skincare na makakapag bigay sa atin ng healthy skin. So we have the cleansing with evening care and toning and moisturizing with our Hydra Brightening Skincare. So hindi na po tayo mahihirapang gumawa ng very complicated or sa mga ayaw po ng complicated na skincare. Pero doon sa complicated skincare kasi na madami, talagang ma-achieve natin yung younger looking skin. So it's depend po sa inyong choice. Now that we know the skincare na bare minimum po para sa lahat to achieve healthy skin, let's move forward to the product that could help us have a moisturized and healthy body or skin all over our body. So we have also the Atomy Body Lotion. It contains fresh herbs, tangerine oil, and apple water to refresh your tired skin. Okay, to keep your skin moisturized and smooth, our body lotion is here. It has skincare with naturally derived ingredients, soft feeling and refreshing finish, controls skin balance of oil and moisture. We have to make sure na yung body po natin is na-maintain yung balance ng oil and water para po healthy yung skin barrier po natin. Hindi po tayo basta-basta magkasakit. And also this product, dahil po sa mga herbs po niya, ito po, yung chamomile, rosemary, lavender, marshmallow, hatonea cordata, basil, fennel, portulaca, oleracea, all these herbs are very beneficial individually if research. Talagang napaka-moisturizing po niya. And because of the lemons din po, or yung scent po niya na citrus scent, is hindi po tayo basta-basta malalapitan ng lamok dahil usong-uso po ngayon yung dengue. Make sure po na our kids or kahit tayo po mismo is protected by our body lotion na purely herbs yung ginamit na mga ingredients. So organic. So hindi lamang basta-basta yung nabibili natin sa market na hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga ingredients na ginamit. Okay, so now let's move naman po doon sa ating makakapag-take care of our hand, our Atomy Hand Therapy. Indulge yourself with soft and radiant hands with our hand therapy. Napakaganda po nito at paborito ko rin siyang gamitin, especially if you use this two na suggested by Atomy. Okay, yung rose water and yung soft bloom po natin, it has moisturizing and it deeply hydrates our hands. Relaxing din po siya. Pwede po natin gamitin if you want to massage our hands dahil napaka-relaxing po niya sa ating skin. It also gives clear and bright hands. It will help brighten our hands in the continue using. And another benefit po, it is non-sticky and vibrant. Of course, kailangan hindi sticky kasi nasa Pilipinas po tayo pinagpapawisan. So if you use other hand therapy, di ba minsan napaka-sticky niya sa feeling gamitin. But with this, it's non-sticky and it's a soft balm that makes skin feel and look younger para hindi po basta-basta mangunot yung ating mga kamay. Okay po? And another naman po na pwede nating combination, actually this four, you can buy it set po sa ating website. But these two are just recommended na mixture po para sa better benefits. So it has a benefit of firming our skin for fighting against wrinkles sa ating kamay. So make sure if you want to fight wrinkles, you use all together the citrus lemon and the shea butter. It also is very relaxing to our skin and it gives moisturizing or deeply hydrates our skin on our hands. Another benefit is it is also non-sticky and vibrant because of the fast absorption and light feeling. And another is it has velvety soft feeling because it releases water and prolonged wear of our hand therapy on our hands. Napakaganda po ng produkto po na ito. So if you want to fight wrinkles on your hands and to take care of your hands as well, you use this product and you explore pa po our Atomy website. Marami pa po kayong makikita mga produkto po doon na I know magugustuhan po natin. And that's it with my presentation for today. Hopefully po na may natutunan po tayo about our Atomy products. Once again po, I'm Sales Master Joyce Tabiano from our Yul Marikina Adja Adja Center.